Would you like to learn algorithmic trading from scratch? You don't have programming or trading experience? This is a free course for the expert advisor builder EStudio. My name is Petko Aleksandrov, a professional Forex trader, and I will teach you how to use EStudio, the program that made me a successful trader. I have been trading for over 10 years on the Forex market with different strategies, patterns, candlestick formations, swing trading and scalping strategies, but finally I specialized in algorithmic trading because this is the easiest way to do trading without any stress. And I want to show you how to trade with robots without previous experience in trading and no IT skills needed. Sign up today for the 15 days free trial period without engagement and create an unlimited number of trading robots. EStudio is an expert advisor builder that allows the traders to automate their trading strategies. So if you have a profitable strategy that you use and you don't want to stay in front of the computer all day long to follow the trades, you can automate your strategy. Put your entry and exit rules, trading amount, stop loss and take profit, and you will see a back test of the strategy with detailed output. One click of the mouse and you can export that strategy as an expert advisor or trading robot for MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. No programming is necessary. If you are a beginner trader and you don't have experience in trading, you don't have profitable strategy, don't worry. There is a generator. It is the unique tool in EStudio that will find strategies for you with a fantastic backtest results according to criteria that you have set for it. With simple words, you can fill in the desired parameters or favorite indicators that you wish to use in your trading, and EStudio will find your strategies. Here is the thing, you can use EStudio for free as much as you want. You can generate strategies, analyze them or test their robustness. You will need a license only if you're going to export the strategies as expert advisors, and having the trial period gives you the chance to generate hundreds of strategies and trade with them. Many traders use the robots they've made just from the free trial period for months and years, and they reported to us that they doubled their accounts. I have recorded a free course that will teach you how to use EStudio properly. You will learn how to prepare the trading environment, run the generator using your broker's historical data, and how to filter the strategies. By the end of this course, you will learn how to follow the results of the trading and how to trade only the best robots. Best of all, I will set you up with everything you need from start to finish to get started on trading with robots. Second best of all, you will feel super cool when you show people your trading while you are spending time with your friends, working out in the gym or just relaxing. Once you create the robots, they will do the whole work from there. So if you want to bring your trading to the next level, sign up for the 15 days free trial now and take this free course.